In this video, we will learn how to use merge option in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have some data of student with the subject marks of every student. So I'm going to use here merge option. So let's start. I just insert the one row in above and write the student data. Okay. I want to merge this heading with the other cell. Okay. So I'm selecting the all this cell and you can see here this is a merge cell option. Just click this arrow, you get the option merge all and merge horizontal vertical. I just select the merge all. That's it. You can see here the name is merge. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.